1906 R's, as you see. What's it giving, guys? How y'all feel about it? Definitely a W. Girlies, am I gonna eat this up? Are we feeling it? Oh, look, guys. And this one comes with shorts as well. Hey, what's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sadenicole. So if you're wondering why my room looks like a disarray, well, guess what? We're finally going on vacation. And I was like, what is a better way than to get ready for a vacation than have y'all come and pack with me? So as you see, your girl kind of got a little bit of a Shein haul going on. And then I kind of got some old stuff, some designer stuff, a little bit of mix of both. But I was like, you know what? Let me show y'all what I'm about to throw in there, talk about it, you know, have a little bonding time. Because I miss y'all. Did y'all miss me? And as always, you know, we're about to get into it. I know that we hate packing. And nobody hates packing more than me. So unfortunately, your girl was able to pick up some Shein pieces that was going to help her out. So let's start off with the essentials. Where I'm going, it has a beach and it's like an island. And your girl went and shout out to Shein. I ordered this really cute. Look at this. I can't even get it together, guys. Can y'all see that? This little cute crochet bathing suit. So that's one thing that we're going to wear that is going to go inside the suitcase. And then as well, it has a bottom. I want to show you the bottom because I think it's really cute. So look at that. Oh, it's backwards. What's it giving, guys? How y'all feel about it? So definitely got to start with the baby suits for it as well. So for this second outfit, I kind of was looking for more of like the tennis theme. So as you guys may know, that tennis theme set is coming back into style. So I definitely was looking for that. And Shein has really cute tennis sets. And you know, they're kind of like not too much on the expensive side, but it's still really nice. So they kind of started a new collab with a small brand. And I was like, I definitely have to get that. So what do you guys think about this tennis set? And not only did it come with the top, but it also came with the bottom. Look at this. Now this is definitely a W. Girlies, am I gonna eat this up? Are we feeling this? I'm so ready to give y'all looks. Like, I'm bringing my camera too. I got a film camera. Like, I'm just so ready to bring y'all stuff. So I really like this. This is cute. I can't wait to wear it. It feels great. The material, like, look at the material. And look at this skirt. I hope my butt looks good. Because, oh, look. Guys, we love a good thing that comes with shorts. So I'm excited. And Chris Burtis, I have not tried any of this on. So, like, I hope it fits. Because I'm going to be upset. Because this is cute. Get into that. That is cute. Another tennis fit. And this one is kind of like a dress. I feel like this could be like a day dress in a way because it's really cute. And I was planning on wearing these with my New Balances. So we shall see. Oh, look, guys. And this one comes with shorts as well. And I also got this from Shein too. You know what's crazy? I say Shein and then like some people that I meet, they be like Shein. So like, which one is it? Is it Shein or is it Shein? Because at this point, I don't know. But this is my second tennis fit. So y'all see like where I'm going kind of like what they say, like rich auntie vibes, but I'm still also really trying to be kind of cute. And I did get some more dresses and stuff, but I don't want to show y'all that because I'm trying to keep those, because when I drop these pics, have y'all been checking out my Instagram? Because I do be putting that shit on. So if you don't know my Instagram, you should go to it. It's __ the SBS, and I'm gonna put it right here for y'all. But y'all should check me out because I do be getting fitted. I mean, I'm from Harlem. Like, y'all know Harlem people, what are we known for? Getting fly and getting money. So y'all gotta check it out. But let me show y'all another outfit. Last but not least, I saved the best for it. So these sneakers that I'm bringing. So if you guys are kind of into the New Balance, now I have wore these, so they're not as crisp as all of my others. I actually need to clean them. But these are the 1906 R's, as you see, with the little jelly. They're mad comfortable. They're actually one of my most comfortable sneakers that I have. And these I'm going to actually bring to wear either with my little tennis dress or to have just in case, because your girl's not going nowhere without my sneakers. So check these out. This is W all day. I know because they sold out and I looked for them in 6 different places. And then secondly, I'm going to bring my babies. I call them my babies because they're my faves. They're good old Sambas. Now these are my go-to shoes now because they're the most comfortable. Those are the second. These are the most comfortables. And I got the platform ones because I'm short, 5'2". And this give me a little bit of height, make me like 5'4", 5'5". So I'm bringing these to go with a little fit. And y'all will see because I'm probably going to post that on Instagram. But bringing the Sambas and the New Balances because your girl gotta have some sneakers. I told y'all remember my last sneaker video, how I was going crazy? So y'all know I'm going crazy now. Really, I am beyond excited for this trip, and that's why I gave y'all that small mini vlog. Like I said, I'm gonna be with the 2 Live crew, so you finally get to see us. Of course, now it's only 3 of us. It's not all 4 of us, and I put up 4, but only 3 of us is going, unfortunately. But we got other trips that we got planned where all 4 of us is gonna be there, because I really want y'all to see how the 2 Live crew get down. But we still gonna have a great time. My room is in disarray, and I need to get it together. I need to finish packing. I'm glad I got to show y'all a little bit of my stuff. I didn't kind of get to show y'all my dresses and my cute fits, only because I just found out that a shirt that I ordered, I thought it was a dress and it was a blouse. So now I have to figure out what type of dress I'm gonna bring when I'm on vacation, because I ordered a blouse and not a shirt. So it kind of like threw me off. It really blew me high key, but I was just like, let me just keep it to myself because I'm upset. So I need to figure out that part of it, which sucks because it's really cute and I don't have a shirt. I don't have the bottom to go with it, but I should have read it too. But also shout out to Shein because they're really affordable. They have some stylish stuff. Like when I don't want to go and spend like mad money and I have pieces that I have like spend money on, they're really my go-to. So now I'm about to get this room in order, pack my stuff up, and then see y'all tomorrow night because we got to catch a flight. Like right now it's 11:31. So y'all see that? I got to finish packing. I got to go to bed, and I will see y'all soon. So if you like this mini video, because it's not going to be long because I got 4 other videos I got to film for y'all, right? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And as always, we will be back with a banger next week. Tune in. Like, y'all ready? This is our first chopper vlog. Yeah. So, get some rest. Get some rest. Because y'all going to need it. Because we about to get lit. I'm going to see y'all soon.